How to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can delete photos from Google Photos app without actually deleting them from your phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes what happens is that you could have the photos saved on your gallery and you could also have the photos backed up to your Google Photos. So if you know whether or not this photo is backed up, you'll find the checked icon over here. But the problem is that this photo is also in my gallery, so if I delete this, will it delete from my as well? Now the problem here is this: your Google Photos also acts as a gallery app, so it just gets really confusing. So if you only want to delete Google Photos but not the ones on your phone, what I'd recommend you do is not to use the Google Photos app at all. Just open up your Google Chrome browser and you can open it up on your phone or your laptop or your Mac or whatever else, and then you just want to go to photos.google.com. I repeat, photos.google.com, which is the web version of Google Photos. And when you actually view the web version of Google Photos, it will only show you the photos that are backed up to Google Photos and not the ones on your phone, because of course those are not in the Google Photos, right? So you have to go to photos.google.com instead. And if you don't believe me, you can try this process from a separate device where your phone is not located as well. And now you can just go about deleting the photos that you like here, and once you select a certain photo, you can go ahead and delete them as well if you'd like that. So this way you'll be able to actually separate a confusion between your Google Photos and your gallery photos. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.